Guys, I will explain to you how to use the proper table setup for a fabulous or amazing dinner. So as you can see here on my left side, on my left hand, a small pork. That's to start for a very small starter. And then followed by this pork on my left and then knife on my right. That is for the main starter. And then the next on my right side, this is a spoon for a soup. And then after that, we follow with these two, knife on my right, pork on my left, and that's for a main course. And then as you can see on the top, you have three things. This is pork and a spoon for dessert, and that's for the coffee. And as you can see, this beautiful, amazing red glasses, that is for red wine. And then as you can see on the other side, that's one. That is with the green things. That is for white wine. And then optional, if you need some water glass, you're gonna put here. And then of course, this amazing serviette. This one is a silverware you have to open. And this plate, this is only a holder for every food that you will receive. So never put things here when you eat. Of course, sometimes in optionals, you will receive here a small plate where you're gonna put your all use, like for example, when you eat pork, when you have some bone, or like for example, fish, then it gonna be, you have to put. Remember guys, it depends on how it's work. These things will change, especially for this two, it will change. We're gonna eat meat, that's why it's a meat setup. If you're gonna eat a fish, it's gonna be changed these two. The rest is the same. So I hope I will explain well, and a happy pleasant 2021 this year to all my subscribers. A happy, pleasant, and amazing and excellent whole year for everybody. Today we will celebrate New Year's Eve, which is a traditional evening dinner here in Belgium where I live. As you can see, this is table for two with beautiful candles, a beautiful setup like this one, as you can see on my first video that I uploaded today, January 1. And this will be the part 2 of the dinner for this day. So, no further ado, let's eat for the dinner. But before anything else, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please consider to subscribe. And don't forget to like, share, and comment for this video so you will be updated on my next video, blog, or tutorial, or whatsoever. So, what are you waiting for? Let's go and eat. How we start for a dinner? Always you will get a very small starter. That's the first, or the sign that the dinner will be started, and then followed by the main starter, which is a little bit bigger. And then a couple of minutes, you will receive a soup, and then after soup, the main course, and then after a main course, we will receive a dessert, which is what I always wanted, and then after that, it's a coffee. So all in all, it's around 1 hour to 1.5 hours for a dinner, that if you are not rushing on it. Of course, simultaneously, you will receive a wine or a red wine or a water or a cola if you ask for. So this is how I celebrate my simple dinner for this January 1, 2020. Table for two, and we will start it. So I hope you like it and enjoy. Guys, as I told you a while ago, you're gonna start with a small starter. So that's how it look like with a small starter. So it's look yummy, right? Yummy. Alright, so of course, the first thing you do to do for the small starter, you have to lose or take your serviette. This one, don't bring at home, leave on the restaurant. But of course, this is in a house, so we can do what I want. But of course, if you're in a pandemic, never take anything on the restaurant. Okay. So you have choices. Otherwise, you have to put here, that's traditional, or on your lap. So for me, I will put on my lap. And then, of course, remember, small fork to start. I'm gonna Sante with the wine. Wow, really like it. And of course, a small starter. Yummy. So what I have here is a dry beef. Mmm, with cherry tomato and radish. So guys, when you eat, never rest. Enjoy and feel the food on your mouth. I'm not born with a silver spoon on my mouth, but I'm able to learn the proper way on how to eat on a social lifestyle, especially here in Europe. It's very important. This was most of my friends surprised that I born so poor, but I'm able to use this kind of thing. It's simple, just self-learning. Mmm, lovely. The way I do it is this is wrong. Don't hold the plate like this. It should be remain on the plate. Okay? I just showing you how to do it. But the other one, that's wrong. This is the proper way. And remember, no sound. Then if you feel a little bit wet on your mouth, use this thing like, okay? Not like this. No. Okay, and that is our mini appetizer. The next is the main appetizer. So, are you ready? All right, guys, we're gonna start now with the main appetizer. That is a liver with three kind of computer and then a slice of mango. So look yummy, right? When you eat this, you have to mix with this is special bread. That's with rosin bread as well as special drink, Pinot de Charo. So what do you think, guys? Let's start eating the main appetizer because it looks so hungry. Let's start the main appetizer. You have to pick the guys. Remember, whatever's on the top on the bread, that's what you have to take it, not under. Otherwise, shame. So I'm gonna take this one. Where's on the top? And of course, remember, this knife as well as this fork, you're gonna use for appetizer. Woohoo! Let's see. You have to use with liver. We're gonna do like this. So lekker. We mix with a little bit confiture. And then we taste. This is heaven. My goodness. And then of course, you're gonna drink with Pinot de Charo. Wow. What a life. Yeah. This is so amazing. But guys, if you're in a restaurant, don't make some noise like what I'm doing now, okay? Just enjoy quiet. You can be a little bit socialized talking with your companionship, but not so loud. That make sure next to you from the table will not disturb. This pate was first class. Wow. Proper. Look how I hold. This is how you hold. Okay? Amazing. When you touch, That's so fabulous. Okay, guys, just let me continue my appetizer. Okay, so enjoy. The Bengal soup with the Bengal leaves look like so yummy. Oh my god. Just cream with Bengal leaves. Now, someone we gotta pour a soup. One. So you can ask for your waiter how much. The two is enough, sir. Thank you so much. So look yummy with the Bengal soup. So let's start it before it's cold. Alright guys, now we're gonna start, of course. The soup, while it's hot, make sure it drinks. So of course, on the right side, the big spoon. Remember guys, when you eat a soup, never like this. That is wrong. You have to drink from your chest going out. That's the proper way. I'm gonna show you. Like this. And then when you mix, it's like this. No sound. Not like this. It's a no-no. Just like this. Never like this. When you eat a soup, it's wrong. It should be like this. When the soup is almost finished, you have to tilt your plate away from your face like this. And then like this. Never, never like this, guys, huh? That is wrong. That is wrong. You might be born for, but you have to learn so you will be rich on your knowledge and your mind. Remember that. Amazing. Of course, with like this. Never like this, guys, huh? No, it's a no-no. Like this. Diba? I told you. Fabulous. But please, once again, let me enjoy my soup. Alright guys, and now what we're waiting for, our main course. Looks so yummy. That is Baskin's Filet with rodicole, spinaci puree, bunches, and of course, a Brussels sprouts. Look yummy. So let's eat this before it's cold. Oh la la. The main course. So look at that. So amazing. Let's start. And of course, use the conditioner salt. Remember guys, stick and cut. Okay? Fabulous. Brussels sprout. Guys in the restaurant, don't make unnecessary noise like what I'm doing now. It's a no-no. Okay? You just eat. Feel the food. Embrace it. But don't make unnecessary sound like sound those. It's a no-no, okay? And then always remember, if the food is amazing, give a compliment on the chef. It's very important. Never forget. It's part of the social dining in a social life, especially in Europe. Know how to appreciate small things if it's really suit on your taste. Okay? You can just simply whisper to the waiter on duty. Just said, "Oh, say thank you to the chef. The food was amazing." Mm. Wow. Once again, guys, let me enjoy in private my meal. Okay? I just give you a small glimpse on how to eat in social and fun dining. Wow! Fabulous! Loving it! Ooh, yum, yum, yum. So, let's see. This is a pan of cocoa with things, but just wait for the syrup. So I can't wait. Yummy. Wow. All right, now guys, what we are now on the stage of dessert. Now we're gonna eat up crepe Suzette. So that is pancake with, of course, sinas apple or tinatawag natin na mandarin. You look yummy. Wow, let's eat before it's cold. Right, guys. Normally in the Philippines, we have to use a spoon and fork when we eat. So here in European or in fine dining setting, we only use this. This is when you pick your food, and this when you pick the sauce or the something liquid. So let's try. Mm. Oh my god, this is so amazing. I forgot my name. This is so fabulous and delicious. Mm. 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 Once again, guys, let me enjoy my fabulous dessert. We are on the stage of coffee, so let's see. So yummy. So as you can see, wow, so fabulous. That is chocolate, that is milk, and this is sugar. So can't wait. Let's do it, guys. So yummy, right? Amazing. Stage now of our fun dining dinner here at home. So I have a fabulous coffee. Never do that on fun dining, huh? Okay. So sugar. So just one sugar is enough, alright? That's not good for your health when you make too much sugars. For your information, a black coffee is still best for your body without sugar. Of course, a little bit milk. So make sure it's non-fat and not so, you know, not much. Like that. And of course, you have to open the amazing food. And then when you look at this beautiful, like this, wow. Not like this with the sound again, it's always like this. Just keep on the side. Again, it's just amazing. Life is so beautiful. Once again, guys, this is Mary, a Filipino living in Belgium, saying thank you so much for joining me on my fine dining dinner this January 1, 2021, first day of the year 2021. We wish you the best and amazing for the whole year with your career, your YouTube career, your family health, whatever it is. I wish a pleasant whole year. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider to subscribe, likes, and comment. So you always updated on my next adventures, such as like this fun dining tutorial. So whatever counts on my channels. Once again, this is my react saying, I love you all, guys. Bye bye, and see you on my next video. Bam! Bam!